Welcome back to Bite-Sized Philosophy. Today we begin our set of lessons on Anaximenes, not to be confused with Anaximander. A student of our first philosopher, Thales, Anaximenes laid out his concept of the apeiron, an indeterminate, boundless standard. He asserted that this infinite wellspring, instead of a specific matter such as air and water, remains the source of all things. The apeiron was no typical element, but an all-embracing, incomprehensible being from which the cosmos emerges and in turn ultimately descends back into. His comprehension of the apeiron emerged from pondering the recurring ascent and descent of inception, with everything reverting to that initial source. This outlook unsettled the more predicated assertions of previous philosophers, prodding contemplation into more conceptual domain. The apeiron retained conflicting attributes: dry and wet, cold and hot, in equilibrium, strictly because it surpassed authentic tangible elements. By contemplating this limitless genesis, Anaximenes immensely fashioned a procedure of metaphysical deliberation, offering fellow thinkers reason to reflect on incorporeal founts as the foundations of actuality itself. His labor carried philosophy a nudge further distant from the fabled perspectives and reinforced a logical archetype of demonstrating the universe. I did end up getting refunded for the model that I was scammed on by the VGen broker due to the immense amount of proof that I provided. So I got most of my 4,100 back, barring about 400 due to the taxes that VGen themselves charged me that I did not get back, unfortunately. But I did use a bit of those funds to get a replacement model made. So this is a speed paint model that I had done by Repo. It's very similar to the Don't Starve Together style, which I truly, truly love. And this background is the first background I ever had made for my character for the day form, the good form. It's been sitting around for almost a year now, waiting for me to get a model. But this is the first custom background that I've had done, which was made by Christian Mason. I will be linking everybody's information in my descriptions.